For me, as a handcraft baker, I really want to adapt myself to the ingredients. I get a bag of grain, I mill it, and I will fill it, and I will transform it into bread, into food. And those processes with the sourdough, of course, with the stone milling, with the ancient grain, with the kneading that is very, very gentle, and those fermentation time that are like 24, 48 hours, gives the bread such an intensity and such a flavor and a texture that is very, very unique. The oven I have 3 different decks, and that gives me a very big flexibility because I bake a lot of different stuff. All those pastries and bread need different kind of temperature or intensity in the oven. It's so flexible and easy to use. So I design my bread and then I adapt the oven to my bread. So it feels like the oven is like mine.